Hey everyone, it's Mike from Clayco. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Xenon onto the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now the Xenon is just a two-piece snap-on cover, so what we're going to do first is separate the back casing from the built-in screen protector. And to do that, you'll see, like many of our dual-layer cases, there's a little divot in the bottom right corner where you can stick a coin or your fingernail, or if you're like me and you don't have fingernails, something from around the house. And all you have to do is just get under it, pop out the corner, and just work your way around until you remove it completely. Now the first time it's going to seem kind of hard, but once you get a feel for it, it's super easy. Now all you have to do is snap the screen protector onto your Note 9. And once that's on there, just pop the whole thing into the TPU back casing. Bottom first, then the top, and just work your way around until all the edges are sealed. Make sure your cameras and ports are aligned with the case, and that's it. Now you're good to go, knowing your Note 9 is safe and protected. Now if you ever drop your phone, the TPU wraparound bumper will absorb the shock, the built-in screen protector will prevent scratches and cracks, and the raised bezels will guard your display and lenses, giving your Note 9 very reliable drop protection. Now to uninstall the case, same idea. Just start with the divot on the bottom right corner, separate the back casing, work your way around till it's completely separated, and the screen protector should just come right off. Hope that helps. If you liked the tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, leave a comment below, let us know what you think. Again, this is Mike from Clayco. Thanks for watching.